So we're at Uccelliera, and the Uccelliera 2004 Riserva just got 98 points. You heard it right, 98 points. The 2004 Normale received 97 points, and you know that's one of my favorites. And we're here with the winemaker Andrea. See? Hello. And his wife.
Hello. Bianca, translator.
And Bianca, the translator from Mark di Grazia. You can translate as we go. Tell us about the Riserva.
La riserva è un prodotto che viene selezionato nella caratteristica di alcuni annati.
So how many years?
60 months.
So the Riserva, unlike the Normale, is 3.5 years in oak, and then 1.5 years in bottle prior to release.
Right.
So we're dealing with exceptional ageability in a Brunello from an exceptional wine producer.
E questo, come dicevo, viene selezionato dalle vigne più vecchie, vengono fermentate per un periodo dai 21-22 fino ai 26-27 giorni.
This wine is fermented for 25 or 26 days, and then the final processing, and it produces a very fine and elegant wine, similar to the 2004, but with a little extra refinement. Pretty good, right?
Yes.
Pretty good interpretation.
La pitola lui è un grande.
91 for the Brunello, 93 for the Rosso,
That's right.
and 97 for the Riserva. See?
Right.
And you know we love these wines. We have them on all our lists. We bought a lot of the 2004. I begged for more.
And Mr. Soda.
Mr. Sold Out. You're like Bruce Springsteen or something.
Yes.
Sold out. Thank you very much. Your wine is excellent.
Grazie a te.
Grazie davvero.
We do a little